Alright, today I have Needleless Serum that I'm going to show you how to use. This is made by a company called Drmtlgy. Some of you may first look at this and think it says Dr. Drmtlgy, but in fact it's Drmtlgy. Or perhaps I'm the only one that got that wrong the first time, but let's not bring up the past. Now, this is a medical grade skincare product, supposedly. They say it's supposed to renew, soften, and hydrate. So how do you use this? So it comes in this container right here, glass container, with a drop stick right here for using this. Pump it, but the instructions on the back, alright, let's go on the back so we can see this a little bit better. Let's get in it closer. Now with this, in order to use it, you apply 4 to 5 drops onto fingers and smooth on your face and neck. Allow it to absorb before applying any additional products. So clean your face and then apply 4 to 5 drops onto fingers and smooth over face and neck. It can be used twice a day or as directed by a physician. So it's important that you get your physician's permission before you use any products. They're claiming that this full facial serum safely targets the appearance of fine lines around the mouth, eyes, and forehead using the revolutionary formula: deeply hydrate and restore skin's delicate natural barrier for a more youthful experience or appearance. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, and it says apply 4 to 5 drops on fingers and smooth over face. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, screw it a little bit, and then I'm going to apply 4 to 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I have 4 to 5 drops, and I'm going to go ahead and put this back in here, and I'm going to smooth it over my face and neck. It goes on easy, very light, and I'm going to put some on my skin right here so you can see a little bit of how well it absorbs. One thing that I like about it is that it's very light and it absorbs very easily. Doesn't smell bad at all. And look how it goes onto the skin. It really hydrates my skin with just a few drops. It's like 4 or 5 drops right here. The ingredients on there: glycerin, water, a bunch of other things. But I like it because it really hydrates my skin, as you can see right here. And it's been renewed. And it's soft. It made my skin quite soft. So that's how you use Drmtlgy Needleless Serum. I hope this video has been somewhat helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.